children, welcome to maths class. Today we are going to learn lesson 13 mental arithmetic. Let us solve the problems in page 146. First one, 4 chocolates plus 2 chocolates is equal to dash chocolates. There are different methods of doing the addition of two single digit numbers mentally. Let us now practice them one by one. First method is adding by using our fingers. Let us open 4 fingers of our left hand and 2 fingers of our right hand. Then add the fingers 4 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So answer is 6 chocolates. Or otherwise you can imagine 4 chocolates plus 2 chocolates picture in your mind. Now also you get 6 chocolates. The other way of mental adding these by grouping, we can write the chocolates as dots. Then we can group it as 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Then the last method is keeping the first number in our mind. 4 in mind, 2 in finger. After 4, 5, 6. So answer is 6. Second one, 5 parrots plus 4 parrots is equal to dash parrots. First method is adding by using our fingers. Let us open 5 fingers of our left hand and 4 fingers of our right hand. Then add the fingers 5 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. So answer is 9 parrots. Or otherwise you can imagine 5 parrots plus 4 parrots picture in your mind. Now also you get 9 parrots. The other way of mental adding is by grouping. We can write the parrots as dots. Then we can group it as 4 plus 4 plus 1 is equal to 9. Then the last method is keeping the first number in our mind. 5 in mind, 4 in finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So totally 9 parrots. Let us solve mentally. First one, 3, 6, 9. What is the next number? Numbers have increased by 3. So 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. Second one, 4, 8, 12. What is the next number? Numbers have increased by 4. So 12 plus 4 is equal to 16. Third one, 8, 7, 6. What is the next number? Numbers have decreased by 1. 1 less than 6 is 5. Fourth one, 10, 8, 6. What is the next number? Numbers have decreased by 2. 2 less than 6 is 4. Let us find the sum. That is, let us add. 2 plus 1. 2 in mind, 1 in finger. After 2, 3. Answer is 3. 1 plus 7. Here 7 is the bigger number. So 7 in mind, 1 in finger. After 7, 8. Answer is 8. 7 plus 2. 7 in mind, 2 in finger. After 7, 8 and 9. So answer is 9. 8 plus 4. 8 in mind, 4 in finger. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So answer is 12. Let us fill in the blanks to make both sides equal. 6 plus dash is equal to 10. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10. How many fingers are there? Yes, 4 fingers. So let us write 4. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Second one, 10 plus dash is equal to 15. 10 after 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Here, how many fingers are there? Yes, 5 fingers. So, let us write 5. Dash plus 6 is equal to 9. 6 after 7, 8, 9. How many fingers are there? Yes, 3 fingers. Let us write 3. Dash plus 3 is equal to 10. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here, how many fingers are there? Yes, 7 fingers are there. So, let us write 7. Let us solve the problems. One shelf has 5 books and another has 4 books. There are dash books in both shelves. ಅಂದರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಕಪಾಟಿನ ಒಂದು ಗೂಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಗೂಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳಿವೆ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಆ ಕಪಾಟಿನಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಒಟ್ಟು ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳು ಎಷ್ಟು? 5 in mind, 4 in finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So answer is 9. There are 9 books in both shelves. Second one, Suma collects 5 rupees from her father and 10 from her mother. How much money did Suma collect from her parents? ಸುಮಳು ಅವಳ ಅಪ್ಪನಿಂದ 5 ರೂಪಾಯಿಯನ್ನು ಮತ್ತು ಅಮ್ಮನಿಂದ 10 ರೂಪಾಯಿಯನ್ನು ಪಡೆಯುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಸುಮಳು ಪೋಷಕರಿಂದ ಪಡೆದ ಹಣವೆಷ್ಟು? Amount received from her father is equal to 5 rupees. Amount received from her mother is equal to 10 rupees. Total amount Suma has is equal to 15 rupees. Let us add. 4 plus 2 is equal to dash. 4 in mind, 2 in finger. 4 after 5, 6. So answer is 6. 2 plus 3 is equal to dash. Here, which is the bigger number? Yes, 3 is the bigger number. 3 in mind, 2 in finger. 3 after 4, 5. So answer is 5. 8 plus 4 is equal to dash. 8 in mind, 4 in finger. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12. So answer is 12. 5 plus 6 is equal to dash. Here, which is the bigger number? Yes, 6 is the bigger number. 6 in mind, 5 in fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So answer is 11. 9 plus 8 is equal to dash. 9 in mind, 8 in fingers. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So answer is 17. 8 plus 8 is equal to dash. 8 in mind, 8 in fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So answer is 16. 10 plus 9 is equal to dash. 10 in mind, 9 in finger. After 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So answer is 19. Let us add the center number to each of the numbers outside the circle. ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಈ ಚಿತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ವೃತ್ತದ ಒಳಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಆ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗೆ ಹೊರಗಿರುವ ಪ್ರತಿ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯನ್ನು ಕೂಡು. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ಎಸ್, 5. 5 plus 2. 5 in mind, 2 in fingers. After 5, 6, 7. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. 5 plus 3. 5 in mind, 3 in fingers. After 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 5 plus 4. 5 in mind, 4 in fingers. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. 5 plus 1. After 5, 6. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. 5 plus 6. Here 6 is the bigger number. So 6 in mind, 5 in fingers. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. 5 plus 8. Here 8 is the bigger number. So 8 in mind, 5 in finger. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. Second one, do by yourself. Let us write the next number. 2, 4, 6, dash. What is the next number? Numbers have increased by 2. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. Second one, 3, 5, 7. What is the next number? Numbers have increased by 2. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. Third one, 8, 6, 4. What is the next number? Numbers have decreased by 2. 2 less than 4 is 2. Fourth one, 20, 15, 10. What is the next number? Numbers have decreased by 5. 5 less than 10 is 5. Let us say the true or false in our textbook, page number 150. First one, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Yes, this statement is true. Second one, 6 plus 6 is equal to 4. It is true, children? No. 6 plus 6. 6 in mind, 6 in finger. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Means 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. But here they given 4. Means this statement is wrong or false. Third one. One day Sita ate 3 bananas in the morning and 2 bananas in the evening. Then Sita ate 6 bananas in a day. ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೀತಾ ಎಂಬ ಹುಡುಗಿಯು ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ 3 ಬಾಳೆಹಣ್ಣುಗಳನ್ನು ಮತ್ತು ಸಂಜೆ 2 ಬಾಳೆಹಣ್ಣುಗಳನ್ನು ತಿಂದರೆ ಅವಳು ದಿನದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಟ್ಟು 6 ಬಾಳೆಹಣ್ಣುಗಳನ್ನು ತಿಂದಳು. ಇದು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿದೆಯಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿದೆ. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. But here they given 6. So this statement is false. Fourth one, Raju practices a song 3 times in the morning and 5 times in the evening. So Raju practiced 8 times on that day. ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಜು ಎಂಬುವನು ಒಂದು ಹಾಡನ್ನು ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ 3 ಬಾರಿ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡುವನು ಮತ್ತು ಸಂಜೆ 5 ಬಾರಿ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಅವನು ದಿನದಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಹಾಡನ್ನು 8 ಬಾರಿ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡಿರುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರೂ. ಎಸ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So this statement is true. Rama has 5 marbles and Rahim has 4 marbles in their pocket. Rama and Rahim together have 10 marbles. ರಾಮನ ಜೇಬಿನಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಗೋಲಿಗಳಿರುತ್ತವೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ರಹೀಮನ ಬಳಿ 4 ಗೋಲಿಗಳಿವೆ. ಅವರಿಬ್ಬರ ಬಳಿ ಇರುವ ಒಟ್ಟು ಗೋಲಿಗಳ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ 10. It is true children? No. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. But here they given 10. So this statement is false. Charan has 5 pens. Chandana has 7 pens. They have 15 pens altogether. ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚರಣ್ ಎಂಬುವನ ಬಳಿ 5 ಪೆನ್ನುಗಳು, ಹಾಗೆ ಚಂದನಳ ಬಳಿ 7 ಪೆನ್ನುಗಳಿವೆ. ಅವರಿಬ್ಬರ ಬಳಿ ಇರುವ ಪೆನ್ನುಗಳ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ 15. ಇದು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿದೆಯಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್. 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. But here they given 15. So this statement is false. Let us add. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. This page do by yourself. Okay children, I hope all of you understood this lesson. Thank you.